Okay, so let's start today's class. In the previous class, we completed our third chapter, data handling. In today's class, we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 4, simple equations. To start this chapter, first we should recall that what we studied in the class 6, the chapter number 11, algebra. So to recall, this will be very helpful to understand this new chapter. So first we will recall. Simple equations. In class 6, in the chapter number 11, we have we studied about the chapter algebra. In algebra, we discussed that chapter about some variables, about equations, about the solution of an equation, and also we discussed how can we find the solution of any equation. We also discussed how can we convert the given sentence, situation, condition to a equation. So first we will recall all these things one by one. First is variables. So what do you know about variables? Anybody? If know about, please reply. What do you know about variables? Anybody else? Okay, there are two types of value. The first is variables, the second is constant. What is the, and they are opposite to each other. Constant means whose value is always fixed, and this value will not be never change. While variables is the opposite of the constant. Variables means whose value is not fixed and it can take any value. That is from negative numbers, from 0 or for any natural numbers, any decimals, fraction, etc. Okay. So variables we can say not fixed value. In that chapter, we also discuss how can we represent the variables. Anybody remember? How can we represent the variables? We should represent generally by small alphabetically letters like as A, B, C, A, B, C, or X, Y, Z. So once again, what are variables whose value is not fixed? They can take any value, and we denote variables by small alphabetically letters. आई होप आप सभी को रिमेंबर आ गया होगा आपको जो भी हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में स्टडी किया था. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी कम टू द इक्वेशन. Okay, that is the main topic of this chapter that we have to be study equations. Anybody remember what is an equation? What is an equation? Correct answer is okay. Equation is a condition on variables. Equation is an expression which involving variables, or equation an expression involving an equality sign. These are some definitions of equations. Once again, equation is a condition on variables. Second, equation is an expression which have an equality sign. So I got one expression 55 plus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, this is a expression. It also has a equality sign. Okay, it has two sides, LHS and RHS. It has one variable x. Okay, so this is an example of a simple equations. It has all three required condition, all three required terms. Equality sign, one variables and two signs, LHS and RHS. And what is the condition? Condition का meaning क्या है? Just as I told, equation is a condition of variable. What is the condition? Condition is the value of this side will be equal to this side, or the value of this side will be equal to the value of the other side. Means the value of the each side should be equal. That is the condition on variable. One point we should remember: there are two sides, LHS or RHS. One side must include the one variable. If it will not include any variable, this will not be any equation. This will be just as a expression. So this is the difference between expression and variables. For example, I thought 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Is this a equation? It's not an equation because this is not contains any variables. Okay, so this is only just a expression, not equation. Okay, I hope you understand and recall the equation. Okay, so next we are going to discuss solution. What is the solution of an equation? Anybody remember? And will tell me if you know about what is the solution of an equation. Sukanya, 7th B. We are just recalling, so there is not any page number. We are recalling what we studied in the previous class.
Page number 27.
What is the solution? The value of variable which satisfy the equation. Variables का वो वैल्यू, वो आंसर जो उस इक्वेशंस को satisfy करे. Again, sir, what is the satisfy meaning? Satisfy meaning when we place the value of variable in one side, then the value of both sides will be equal. That is the satisfy. कि दोनों वेरिएबल का वैल्यू प्लेस करने पर दोनों साइड का वैल्यू इक्वल्स हो, सेम हो. If equals, then satisfy, and then satisfy, the value will be the answer or solution of that equation. If not satisfy, if not is equal to, then the value will not be the solution or answer of that equation. One example: x plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, just one example to understand the solution. I got x plus 2 is equal to 5. Suppose that I told the solution of this equation is 2. So I got 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. But here both are not is equal to, so this is not satisfied. So 2 is not the answer or solution of this equation. Now again I told 3, put 3, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now we are seeing here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This equation is now satisfied. Satisfied meaning the value of both sides will be equal. So 3 is the solution of this equation.
Sir, tell once again the meaning of solution, sir.
And second, who joined the class late, kindly don't tell me, repeat once again. Okay? And the satisfied word we use in many terms, many events. In science, we also use the word satisfied. In your higher classes, like in 9th and 10th, you will be study about satisfy the formula of equation chemicals. And when we purchase some vegetables from vegetable seller, तो उनके हाथ में तराजू रहता है, आप लोग को नोट किया होगा। तो जब सामान देते हैं तो देखते हैं वो दोनों जो पकड़े का वजन है तो बैलेंस हो, सेटिस्फाई हो। ओके, यदि थोड़ा सा कम ज्यादा रहता है तो अपना जो भी वेजिटेबल्स है उनका क्वांटिटी ऐड करके उस तराजू को बैलेंस या सेटिस्फाई करते हैं। तो सेम हियर हमें वो वैल्यू लेना है सॉल्यूशन के लिए that will be the satisfy the equations. So I hope all of you understood the variables, equations and solution. Up to this step, if anybody doubt, kindly ask me. Vani, what is your doubt? Ask Vani. Vani is there, 7th A. Vani is there. Once again, solution. I think solution did not understand solution. Once again, solution means the value of variable which satisfies the equation when we will replace. I wrote one example of equation x plus 2 is equal to 5. So for this we need one value of equation, one value of this variable जिसे हम रिप्लेस करें तो इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई हो जाए। सेटिस्फाई मीनिंग दोनों साइड का वैल्यू इक्वल्स हो। So when first I put 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. We know obviously this is wrong, but 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 is not equal to 5. So 2 is not the solution. Again I put 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Yeah, this is correct. The value of this side also 5 and the value of this side also 5. So in this case 3 is the solution. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay. So let's continue. Now, what we will study in this chapter? In this chapter, we will extend our study about the equation. We will also study about some different methods to find the solution of equations, and we will also study to convert some real life situations, word problems into equations and find the real answer. Okay, so first we will start just from the starting, just from the previous knowledge. Exercise 4.1. First question. In this question, one table is given as you are seeing. Okay. In second column, one equation is given in third column one value is given. In fourth column we have to be right. Fourth column is whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. Only we have to be checked by the given value the equation is satisfied or not. Just let's see. First question, first point. All of you don't fill directly in the table. First, solve the point one by one as I am solving. After that, only fill in the table yes or no. Who on the mic? So first equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now लिखेंगे आप given. Okay. What is the value? X is equal to 3. तो जो वैल्यू यहाँ पर गिवन है थर्ड कॉलम में हमें उसी वैल्यू से चेक करना है, ना कि हमें अपना अलग से वैल्यू उसमें रिप्लेस करना है. Sanket, why did you on the mic? You know the class is recording. Nobody on the mic?
नहीं दिख रहा है सर.
Okay. The value is given x is equal to 3. So we will write put x is equal to 3. So in this equation we will replace x by the given value 3 is given. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Again 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, but is not equal to 0. So when we put 3 equal to 3, the sum will become 6. But while in the RHS, the given value is 0. That is not equal to. So our answer is no in the fourth column. The next, third point, x plus 3. The same equation given, but the value will change. X is equal to minus 3. So put x is equal to minus 3. Put करते हैं x is equal to minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. 0 is equal to 0. So now the value of both sides is the same. So in this case we can say minus 3 is the solution of this equation. So our answer is yes. Let's continue.
Sir, we can't see the board, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bindu, what is the problem? Bindu is there.
Sir, board is not seen clearly.
Okay. जब भी आप किसी को कोई बोलना है, फर्स्ट अपना नेम बोलिए. सर, दिस इज बिंदु. I am unable to see the board. All of you listen. Just थोड़ा सा माइक ऑन करके, थोड़ा सा बोल के माइक बंद करना है. It is not a board. Sir, this is a bindu. I have this problem. Second, you need to send your comment. I am seeing your. Shriya, on your mic. Shriya, talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing clearly the board? Shriya, reply.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
But you sent
Yes,
the
I
message.
can see the board clearly, sir.
You sent the message, sir, board is not clearly.
Sir, that time, sir.
Okay, now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue. We should not waste the time. So let's continue. Next, point number 4. The equation is x minus 7 is equal to 1 and the value is given x is equal to 7. So all of you check x is equal to 7 is the solution of this equation or not and reply your answer. You're very good. Most of the students replied no. Now let's check this is the correct answer or not. Put x is equal to 7. So I put x is equal to 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 1. 7 minus 7 0. 0 is equal to 1.
No, sir.
But this is not equal. So I cancel it like this. 0 is not equal to 1. So our answer is no in the fourth column of this table. The next is point number 6. The equation is 5x is equal to 25. The value is given x is equal to 0. Now let's check x is equal to 0 is the solution of this equation or not. Okay, let's check. Put x is equal to 0. So 0 into 5 is equal to 25. Now we know that if you multiply 0 by any number, the answer will be 0. So this is 0. But we know that the value are not equal to. So the answer is no. Next, 7th point. Again, same equation. 5x is equal to 25. Now value is the new value is 5. So now let's check. 5 is the correct answer or not? Yeah, most students replied. It means this is the yes. Let's check. Put x is equal to 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 5 times 25 is equal to 25. So both values are same. It means the answer is the correct for this equation. Let's continue the same question. The point number 9, m by 3 is equal to 2. And the value is given m is equal to minus 6. So now let's check. No. Okay. Now let's check your answer. Put n is equal to 6 minus 6. Sorry. Put m is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 3 to the 6 minus 2 is equal to 2. So this is the confusion. So हमें यहाँ confuse नहीं होना है because we already know about the integers. Minus 2 and plus 2 both are different. Minus 2 is lie on the left side, while 2 is lie on the right side of the number line. So they are not equal to. So answer is no. Next 11 point. Again same equation, m by 3 is equal to 2, while the value is changed, new value is 6. So let's check 6 is the correct or not. Okay, very good all of you. Put m is equal to 6. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. 3 to the 6, 2 is equal to 2. So both values are correct. So our answer is yes. One point we should remember when we are solving the equations, it has already contains the is equal to sign. So to simplify such steps, we should use a sign that is implied like this. Okay, like this. I notice some students again use the is equal to sign. We can use equal to sign only the once time, and it already contains in equation. So we have to use this implied sign. Okay. So in our first question, we discussed if some values are given and equation are given, how can we check these values are the solution of that equations or not? How can we check the equation are
Sir, side
satisfied
please, sir.
with the given values or not? Prabhu, what do you want to say? Prabhu, say with me.